So you're finding some success growing your channel, and then you wondered, wait up, how am I exactly gonna make money on YouTube? You want to make money on YouTube. I want to make money on YouTube. I want to make money on YouTube. Yeehaw! Fellow Americans, I want to make money on YouTube. It's gonna be the greatest money in the history of YouTube. Well, you're watching the right video, fellas, because we're about to break it down. Hey creators, welcome back to Learn Content Crafting, where we help you turn your passion into profit. Today we're talking about the real deal, how to make money, the moolah on YouTube. Even if your channel isn't a massive hit yet, yep, it's still possible to make money. Let's dive in. Step number 1, YouTube's monetization requirements. Let's talk about the basics, the YouTube's partner program. Ta-da-da! To start earning from ads, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. That might sound intimidating, but don't panic. It's achievable with consistent, engaging content. Pro tip, focus on creating binge-worthy playlists to rack up those watch hours faster. Just like your video that you're watching right now is part of a playlist called Start Your YouTube Journey from Zero to Success. Step number 2, other income streams. Here's the secret sauce for small channels. Diversify your income streams. While you have not hit your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours yet, you can still make money through other means while you're working on your 1,000 sub and 4,000 watch hours. Ad revenue is just one slice of the pie. Let's talk about 3 others. Whoa, more money. Yeehaw! Now that's what I'm talking about right there, buddy. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Promote products you genuinely love. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, or better yet, partner with brands in your niche. Drop your affiliate links in the description and earn a commission when your viewers make a purchase. Are you tired of the low yields on interest on your savings account? SoFi's high yield savings account might just be what you need. As of this recording, SoFi offers an impressive 4.2% annual yield, one of the best rates out there. Plus, sign up using my referral link in the description down below and you could qualify for a special cash bonus. But here's the important part. Make sure to do your own research to confirm your eligibility and that this account meets your financial needs. I'm sharing this as an option, but I'm not a financial advisor and I can't be held responsible for your banking decisions. So explore, decide, and make the best choice for your goals. Let's get back to the video. Number 2, sponsorship. Yes, even small channels can land sponsors. If you have a loyal audience, pitch your value to brands. Start with smaller companies. Every big partnership starts somewhere. Merchandise. Got a catchy tagline or a cool logo? Platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop make it easy to design and sell your own merch. Even a small audience might want to rep your brand. Step number 3, tips for earning more ad revenue. Now let's optimize for ad revenue. Not all ads pay the same. So here's how to get the most bang for your buck. Number 1, focus on evergreen content. Videos that stay relevant over time, just like the videos on my playlist that you're watching right now. Like tutorials or product reviews. Keep earning views and revenue long after you hit publish. Number 2, choose high CPM niches. Well, hello there, fellow YouTubers. You see, in the world of monetization, CPM stands for cost per mile, which is a metric that represents the amount that advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impressions on your videos. Topics like finance, like my Learn Wealthy channel. To check that out, click the link above. Also, you got tech and education, often attract higher paying advertisers. Long videos equals more ads. If it fits naturally, aim for videos longer than 8 minutes. You can place multiple ads, increasing your revenue potential per one video. Remember, monetizing your channel is a marathon and not a sprint. It takes time, creativity, and consistency, but the payoff is so worth it. Whether it's through ads, affiliate links, sponsors, or selling merchandise, there's no one-size-fits-all. test out different strategies and see what works best for your channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share this video with a fellow creator, and subscribe for more tips to grow your channel. And remember, your content is your craft. Keep being creative. I'll see you in the next video.